In the pursuit of physical excellence, we often push our bodies to the limit. We demand strength, endurance, and agility, striving for peak performance. Yet, in this relentless pursuit, we must not neglect the crucial role of recovery. It is in the moments after exertion that our bodies truly begin to rebuild and adapt. This is where the ancient practice of sauna therapy takes center stage, offering a sanctuary for rejuvenation and restoration. Portable saunas in particular have emerged as powerful tools for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike, conveniently delivering the profound benefits of heat therapy in any setting. Imagine this: you've just completed a grueling workout, your muscles are fatigued, and your body craves respite. Instead of collapsing on the sofa, you step into the warm embrace of your portable sauna. As the heat envelops you, tension melts away, and your body begins its journey towards revitalization. This is not merely relaxation. It's a proactive approach to recovery, a way to optimize your body's natural healing processes and unlock your full athletic potential. The allure of the portable sauna extends beyond its convenience. It's about harnessing the power of heat to promote muscle recovery, flush out toxins, and induce a state of deep relaxation. By incorporating regular sauna sessions into your post-workout routine, you embark on a holistic approach to fitness, one that acknowledges the importance of both exertion and restoration. This essay delves into the multifaceted benefits of post-workout portable sauna use, providing you with the knowledge to elevate your recovery regimen and maximize your physical well-being. At the heart of the portable sauna's appeal lies its remarkable ability to accelerate muscle recovery. Intense physical activity, while beneficial, inevitably leads to microscopic tears in our muscle fibers. This damage, though a natural part of the muscle-building process, can manifest as soreness, stiffness, and reduced performance. Heat therapy, as provided by a sauna, emerges as a potent ally in combating these post-workout woes. The mechanism is elegantly simple. Heat triggers vasodilation, a widening of the blood vessels. This expansion significantly increases blood flow to your muscles, delivering a surge of oxygen and vital nutrients crucial for repair and growth. Imagine a bustling city center with traffic flowing freely. This is akin to the enhanced circulation occurring within your muscles post-sauna. This influx of nourishment expedites the healing of damaged tissues, mitigating soreness and reducing the time it takes for your muscles to bounce back. But the benefits extend beyond mere repair. The increased blood flow facilitated by sauna use also plays a pivotal role in reducing inflammation, a natural but often uncomfortable response to muscle damage. Heat helps to flush out metabolic byproducts that contribute to inflammation, such as lactic acid, while simultaneously delivering anti-inflammatory compounds to the affected areas. This two-pronged approach helps to quell the inflammatory cascade, reducing pain and promoting faster recovery. In essence, the portable sauna acts as a catalyst for muscle regeneration, transforming your body into a more efficient healing machine. By incorporating regular sauna sessions into your routine, you actively contribute to faster recovery times, reduced muscle soreness, and ultimately, enhanced performance in your chosen physical pursuits. Detoxification through perspiration. Section 4. Tranquility found, easing the mind and body with heat. Section 5. Safety and practicalities, utilizing the portable sauna effectively.